Welcome everyone. Today I'll be solving question number 45 of the 2021 GATE Biotechnology paper, which is desired to scale up a fermentation from 1 liter to 1000 liter vessel by maintaining a constant power to volume ratio. The small fermenter is operated at an agitator speed of 300 rotations per minute. If the value of the scale-up factor is 10, you have to find out the agitator speed in RPM for the large fermenter. And you have to round off the answer to the nearest integer. So let's see how to solve this. So what is given to us in the question is that the scale-up is happening from a 1 liter bioreactor to a 1000 liter bioreactor. The N1 or the agitator speed for the first bioreactor is given as 300 RPM, and you have to find out N2. The scale-up factor is given as 10. So that means the second bioreactor is 10 times bigger than the first. So if you have the ratio of D1 by D2, where D1 is the diameter of the first bioreactor and D2 is the diameter of the second bioreactor, you will get 1 by 10 because the scalar factor is 10. What is also told you in the question is that the power to volume ratio is the same for both bioreactors. We know that the power to volume ratio is directly proportional to N cube D square, where N is the agitator speed and D is the diameter of the vessel. So if the power to volume ratio is the same for both reactors, that means N1 cube D1 square is equal to N2 cube D2 square, where N1 and D1 are the agitator speed and diameter of the first bioreactor, and N2 and D2 are the agitator speed and the diameter of the second larger bioreactor. So from this equation, we can calculate N2. So if we input the values, we have N1 as 300, D1 from this equation of D1 by D2, we know is 1, and D2 from this equation again is 10. So N2 is equal to the cube root of 27 into 10 to the power 6. That is the cube of 300 by 10 to the power 2. So if you calculate this, you will get an answer of 64.63. The question now asks you for the answer rounded off to the nearest integer. So the answer is 65 RPM. I hope that was easy for you to understand. Thank you so much for listening.